For this problem, we want to express 5 over 2 times 111 minus 1/2 as a single fraction. So this question is actually easy, but if it may seem difficult at first, but actually is not really that hard. So the first thing you want to do is when you do PEMDAS, right? PEMDAS, we want to do what's in the parentheses, which is this one right here. So let's rewrite 5 over 2 times, I'm going to write the multiplication symbol as a dot. Okay, so we want to have two fractions that are subtracting each other, so we need them to have common denominators in order to subtract them. So the one way to do this is to multiply their common the denominator, which is 11 and 2. So 11 times 2 is 22. So we need both the fractions to have a common denominator of 22. So we could write, let me write it down here. So 1 over 11, we need this to be 22 in the denominator, so we times it by 2. And 1 times 2 is 2. 11 times 2 is 22. And for the negative 1/2, we want it to have the same common denominator, so times it by 11. So negative 1 times 11 is negative 11, and then 2 times 11 is 22. Okay, let me just rewrite it over here. 5/2 times 2 over 22 minus 11 over 22. Okay, let me clear some space here. Okay, now when they have common denominators, we could subtract them, but be careful, we don't want to subtract these in the numbers in the denominator. We only want to subtract the numbers in the numerator, which are these 2 and 11. So this is going to equal 5 over 2 times 2 minus 11 is going to be negative 9 over 22. Okay, you keep the denominator the same. After this is a straight multiplication. We just multiply across. Okay, we don't need to find another common denominator for the bottom, the denominator of the fraction, but we just multiply straight across for this. So 5 times negative 9 is going to be negative 45, and then 2 times 22 is going to be 44, which leaves us with negative 45 over 44 as our answer.